Sabi nila, swertihan lang din pagdating sa negosyo. But as a business owner, you need to know how to correctly avail it. I think totoo naman, malaking factor ang swerte pagdating sa negosyo. Kasi in business, there are a lot of variables na hindi mo talaga kontrolado. However, sabi nga ni Sherlock Holmes, luck will not come your way had you not been looking for it. You need to create an opening para pumasok yung swerte sa negosyo mo. And one of the best ways to do this is to make everything efficient in your business. Manage your resources. Have a strong control from your operations to your finances. Create a robust process on every area ng business mo. Pag ang business magulo, maiirita ang swerte at sure ako, lalayo yan sa'yo. Pero pag business mo maayos, gaya ng maraming negosyo na lumago dahil sa swerte, maluwag na papasok yung swerte na yan sa business at sa buhay mo. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.